Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Road Warrior, so let's see what this thing does.
Let's party.
Road Warrior, it comes at a blue and silver pearl, all pearl. Got R2S Deep AI wrapped around the Inverted FE2 core, which was famously known in the High Road and the Road series, Victory Roads, things like that. First off, what I see is the ball is really clean, and that has to do to the coverstock R2S Deep and the new finish due to Power Edge, because Power Edge is a new finish that they have on the ball, and it doesn't have any slip agents, so it's going to create push throughout the lane but not make it go too far, too long past the break point. It's pretty tacky too. It's good for me when I throw it two hands so I can grip it. Got that a little bit right on this house shot here. House shot here is 43 feet, 25 mils, like around a 9-to-1 ratio. It's pretty blended, not cliffed. Make a better shot here. Got it inside. Got it inside and it held, and it still struck. The AI technology really helps it go through the pins well. Normal balls without AI, that definitely would have been a flat 10. I see this ball being in the lower part of my bag. So I actually filmed another video before this, so I'm on somewhat of like a transition, so I'm not completely on fresh right now. I see this ball coming into play when I'm on burn and when the lanes are transitioning. On fresh, I don't see this ball coming into play too much. Got all of it. Definitely got all of it. That's better. So I still see a very smooth and round continuous motion. I don't really see it being too long or too hockey stick, which is really good. The original High Road, which unfortunately I don't have with me right now, but when I threw it a lot, it was pretty long and pretty angular. So it's nice to see a ball on the lower end that's still going to be smooth and controllable, but still give you length down lane. Great. Pick one up. The motion that I see in this kind of reminds me of like the original Rocket. If anybody remembers the original Rocket, kind of reminds me of that. That one came up a little bit behind the head pin. Got it inside the oil. Just got to make sure I got to get it right to the friction. That was better. Got the ball to the friction. It read where it's supposed to. Didn't jump off the break point and went perfectly through the pins, split the 8-9. So what I see with this ball is to make sure when you're using it, get the ball to the friction and trust that it's not going to overhook, because every time I've thrown it there, it hasn't overhooked as of yet, unless I added too much rotation. Another good shot. And guys, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And we are so close to 10,000 followers. I think we're approaching 7,000 right now, trying to hit 10,000 before the end of the year. So if you see this video, please hit that subscribe button and like it. Tell your friends, come watch Tajiri's ball reviews. We've got other people joining the channel, and we'll be producing out content, tips, bowling ball videos. And if you want to see anything else, just leave a comment down below. So let's see what the original Road does compared to the Road Warrior. I am going to stand where I started with the Road Warrior. That already was a lot smoother. It didn't have that jump off the break point like the Road Warrior. It was a lot more controllable, a lot more tamer. That was probably about 2 to 3 boards right of where I was standing with the Road Warrior. So I was able to get more in with the Road Warrior and shape it more left to right. Yeah, you can see even that one I created a little bit more rotation, but the road, it didn't jump off of the spot. So it kind of sat there. So I would say if you're looking for either the road or the road warrior in your bag, you're gonna get two different motions, but I wouldn't put both in my bag. I would just select one. So if you're looking for something and you want it a little bit more smoother, that's gonna be the road. If you're looking for something that's gonna be a little bit more pop off of the friction, that's where the road warrior will be in. As far as overall hook, they're both very similar, only like 1 or 2 boards in difference. Just the road warrior, you're gonna get a little bit more pop down lane compared to the original road. I moved in on that one, got a little bit right, just testing my angles, see what I can do, see what this ball gives me, move a little bit more left. I like the fact with this ball that I don't have to worry about it hooking in the front part of the lane, and that the cover stock and the surface just naturally pushes it to the break point. It's perfect. It's perfect. That was really good. I created a little bit more rotation because I wanted to see it come off the spot a little bit more, and it read perfectly. Did everything I wanted to do. This ball is going to be in my bag, guaranteed. Okay, in a 6-ball arsenal, where would the Road Warrior fit? At the top, I got the Ion Max. Right below that, I would put my DNA coil. Then as my benchmark, my starting off ball, I would either have the Summit Ascent or the Ion Pro. And then below that, that's where I would have the Road Warrior. It would be a ball just below everything in that mid-level, not super low, but right in that mid-level. And then right below that, I'd have a ball like the Hustle, and then my urethane or my spare ball. And that completes my 6-ball arsenal of where the Road Warrior would fit. This ball carries. It carries. And to be quite honest with you, I really wasn't a fan of the original of the first road right here, this one. But this road, I like it. This ball is so good. And that's the Road Warrior, guys. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below if the High Road was one of your favorite balls, because I love the High Road Pearl, the High Road. Great balls, great balls. See you guys next time.
Heavenly company, definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, red like a speeder, taking it deeper, and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he's sent for me. I keep the blood of the lemons my centerpiece. I cannot trust in no crystals or energy. Look at the chemistry.